Breaking news. The Biafra Liberation Army has just engaged one fighter jet, and there is a hit on the pilot. He has disappeared. We continue to call on all civilians in the affected area to remain indoors. Simon Ekpa. Welcome back to Barabas G's. If today is the day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Do not forget to give us a follow and don't forget to rush our YouTube channel and also and subscribe. Remember, in this channel, we bring you news according to who said it. If anyone who is well known says something, we bring it out for you to hear. If Simon Ekpa tweeted, we'll tell you what Simon Ekpa do. If US tweeted, we'll also tell you what US said. We are here to bring information of what is happening around the world and the territory of Biafra and Eastern region at large and Nigeria as well. Simon Ekpa tweeted on his Twitter page this morning and said that the Biafra Liberation Army have engaged the Nigeria Army, that a lot of things is going on right now, that the fighter jet is being bombarding and shooting sporadically from air. And we are also going to show you a video of when the Biafra Liberation Army, those guys, and also saying that they have been in battle with the Nigeria Army for over 3 days. But why we are getting surprised here is why other medias like well-known medias are not covering these things that are going on in the Biafra territory. So, and they also showed some block, that is checkpoint, where they're waiting for Nigeria Army to come for us to finish what they have started. So we are going to play the video for you and we'll come back and analyze this video more better.
All right, Biafrans, as you can see, we are in one front right now. For those of you thinking that Biafra Liberation Army is not right, we want to show you. You can see here is road, here is main road. You can see here is main road. Here is main road. Nigeria Army cannot cross this place. They can. If they come, they will die. If they come, they will die. This is Baron, the gentle lion. If Nigeria Army pull body, they will collect woto. Biafra Liberation Army is not playing. It's not playing. We dey talk, they do our own for her. We dey talk, they do our own. I know we know the joke. We are not playing. We are not playing. We are engaging them. We are engaging them by all means. We are engaging all the whole Nigeria terrorists. We are engaging them. Don't think we are joking. Let them pull body now. They will collect woto. The Biafra Liberation Army is not playing. If they pull body, they will collect. This one no be say go come. If they pull body, we go handle them rough. You see, if we don't get Allah. I will touch them. See him. I can't get me out. No, I'm not there. I go there. Masnachi, you don't worry me. Oh. Here your babu, yo. Baron no dey play oh. Baron no dey play. I no dey play. This one no be chance, no be go come. Any Nigeria wey say in life no sweet am again, make e enter army, come here, come die. You come here, we go bury you. Ghana, we go bury you alive. You say you come, if na you be people wey dey use say they wan use you make you come fight against.
Hey guys, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, say you don't hear am from their own mouth, where they say, them those people don't dey gbataram o, they engage them, and a lot of things they happen. Say na so the pilot come fly comot. And so, what do you think about this? What is your thoughts in this video? And leave by the comment, and also tell us if you dey for this area where this thing dey happen. May you notify us. Say na true it dey happen for your side. Say we will know where the area. You understand? So as they bring and come, na so we still bring and come give una. They let una know say see wetin dey go on. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned where we dey bring you other things where they happen around your area.